In front of me is Redmi A3 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill service and click on Google Password Manager. Finally, click on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current screen lock. Then tap on Edit button next to Delete one and change wherever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!